Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Keep It Real here again. Today I am working on my 2005 Chevy Silverado. It's a 1500 with the 4.3 liter V6 motor, and it also has an automatic transmission. And what we are doing is we are putting in cruise control. So these vehicles come pre-wired from the factory, because, oh wait a minute, there's a lot of noise. You got like it. Okay, good. Okay, come pre-wired from the factory, and so the wiring is already there. All you have to do is add a couple parts. For me, you have to have this here is the cruise control turn signal, which activates and deactivates cruise control. And it's also your high beam, low beam, and your turn signals. That's one of the parts. That you can get that new on eBay. This here is the actual cruise control actuator, and got this out of the junkyard for like 35 bucks. And my 2005 is it's drive-by cable, so it has a cable. So this actually has a cable that hooks up to it too also. So you have to mount this. I'm going to give you the part number off of this. It's 253155559, and then mine has a K after. But it came out of a 2001 Chevy. So it should work. I'll take some steels and I'll show you where to mount this at, and where the plug is for it, because it's pre-wired. There's a plug for it already, and I got some screws, some sheet metal screws, because you have to mount it. It has to be mounted pretty solid. So I'm gonna get into that, and then I'm gonna take some pictures, and then I'll show you a little bit about that. But thanks again, and keep it real. I'll talk to you in a minute, and I'll show you, let you know how it works out. All right, thanks a lot. Peace. Okay, I just tested it, the cruise control, and it does work. It does everything it's supposed to do. The little light comes on when it's on and running, and when you hit the brake, it also stops. Now the cheater part that I did was in the earlier part of this video. I'm going to show you the two pieces. The two pieces that I bought. I bought the actuator, the cable actuator, and the indicator, which is like the turn signal, and it has all the turn signal and off and on stuff for the Chevy. But this is the other part that I went and bought. This right here, I went to the junkyard, paid $25 for this. I saw a wrecked Chevy, and it had the cruise control in it. So all I wanted was the location of where I do the plugs at on mine, and then also there's a four-prong connector that connects to the cruise control. And another note is all of this stuff is locking. I mean, it all has like little pins in it to lock it. Even to get this out, there's like a little lock to get that out, so it fits in place. Everything has a pin, and you have to have a real, see, you heard it click. You have to have a real tiny screwdriver in order to get them out. Even these little blue things right here, you have to have these little blue things on the end here. You have to have a tiny screwdriver to get those out. Same thing with these. Once you get this out, once you get this part out, you have to have a little tiny screwdriver right there to get those out. So good thing is that it is pre-wired for cruise control, and it does work. I'm gonna show you some pictures of where I mounted the actuator, and I'll show you the inside of the truck right before I close everything up. All right, thanks. I'll talk to you in a second.